in thanksgiving to God for the survival of Chief Okechukwu Nwachukwu. He's the same God who is there in times of lack and want. He's the same God, Jehovah, your great provider. Tell me why you've given up on God. Tell me why you've given up on Him. Tell me why you've given up on God. Hold on, change is on the way. Oh, your life is ultimate, Okechukwu. Let's celebrate. Aha! It's a time to tell God how amazing He has been. Let's go. You always come through for Him, amazing God.
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 You always save my life, and I want to give you praise.
You always come through for Him, amazing God.
What seems impossible is possible with you.
You always come through for Him, amazing God.
I wanna see you dance onto the song. Let's go. Your testimony today is that Jesus saved your life. Your thanksgiving today is that my Jesus came through for you. If not because of Jesus, where would you have been today? Where would you have been today? Okechukwu, God, you know the fair. What seems impossible is possible with you.
You always come through for Him, amazing God.
You always save my life, and I want to give you praise.
You always come through for Him,
amazing God. Ooh, my lover, my defender.
Amazing God.
Amazing God. Amazing God. Oh.
You always come through for Him, amazing God.
Oh, you're walking in me. Someone. Joy, now we are one. Get it. All right. Okechukwu bụ nwoke,
Chukwu gọzila gọzi.
Ukwu brother is afọ dị mkpa.
Afọgolo gị mi ya.
Oh, Lord. Nwoke mara mma.
Nwoke bụ handsome with brain.
Oluwa dey your side.
Ndị na-eme na nkịtị.
Chukwu gọzielu ụmụ gị.
Gọzielu m ezigbo nwunye gị.
Ezi Amarachi.
Ọkwa Amarachi ji chọọ gị mma.
Okechukwu golibenu.
N'ihi na Chukwu fụlụ gị n'anya.
You dey bless Him
on a regular, on a regular, on a regular, nyafo.
You dey bless Him
on a regular, on a regular, on a regular, nyafo.
On a regular, you dey do what man no fit do.
On a regular,
on a regular, you've turned my tears into joy.
You open the doors of blessings for me.
That's why I've come to give you praise for all the things you've done for me.
On a regular,
you dey bless Him
on a regular, on a regular, on a regular, nyafo.
You dey bless Him
on a regular, on a regular, on a regular, nyafo.
A big congratulations to you, Okechukwu Nwachukwu. It's a miracle that you are alive today. On behalf of your beautiful family, we bless God for keeping you for us. Long live the King.